While testing new batteries to increase storage capacity, some companies are looking to the future, creating devices that allow electric vehicles to be put back into operation if they run out of battery. A clear example is the drone that will allow us to charge our electric vehicle if necessary. The BAC company is working on a roadside assistance service project for electric vehicles that run out of battery at any given time in the form of a drone. The operation is very simple, since you only need to request assistance through the mobile application, which uses the location of the phone quickly to offer the necessary load and thus be able to get to a service station where the vehicle is loaded. The drone itself would incorporate a connector model compatible with the vehicle, at least until the industry wants to agree on a single connector model, which would have to be extracted from the drone and plugged into the vehicle. The size of the drone, it would not be what is said small, since it must integrate battery powerful enough to allow charging part of the battery of a vehicle so that it can reach a nearby cargo area. The idea itself is not bad, but for this type of drone to see the light, the company would have to reach many commercial agreements to have coverage in the whole country. But this problem can also be solved by carrying in the vehicle itself an external battery that can be used only in specific cases. In addition, it is unlikely that the owner of an electric vehicle is not careful when making a trip knowing that the vehicle's load is not enough.